How to find blocked accounts on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find blocked accounts on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then just click here on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click privacy, and here you will find this one here, blocked accounts. Click on it, and as you see here you can find your blocked accounts on Instagram Lite, and that's it. And that's how to find blocked accounts on Instagram Lite. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.